A father said to his son, son, I'll teach you something. That no, don't live your life to always thinking of the people, that how you make people happy with you. Because most of the people will never happy with you. They will always be criticizing you and will always be opposing you. So do the good for the sake of Allah and do not worry about the people. What people thinks about you, what people talks about you, forget about it. So he said, let's come with me. So the father and the son and the donkey. Donkey is smaller than the horse. Mas malit sa kabayo. And it's a very lazy animal. So the father said, okay, let's go and I'll teach you something. That you have to think about Allah. If Allah is happy with you or Allah is angry with you, forget about the people. Do your job, right job. Always follow the commandments of Allah. Never mind the people. So they're going ahead. Nobody is riding on the donkey. Father is walking, son is walking. They walk and they pass to the group of the people, and the people criticize and laugh. They say, this father and son, they are very crazy people. They have a donkey, but they don't like to ride. They are just walking. So they just walk, and then the father said, you see people? People are not happy because we are walking, we are not riding the donkey. So let's do the deal now. I ride the donkey and you walk. So now the father rides the donkey and the son is walking. They pass another group of the people, and the group of people is criticizing. They said, this father is a very cruel. He is riding a donkey and he let his son to walk. So now the father said, okay, you see, I ride the donkey, we are walking, people don't like. Now I ride the donkey, they still don't like. They call me cruel. Okay, you ride the donkey now and I walk. So now the son riding a donkey and the father is walking. Passing to the group of the people, another group of the people. The people say, this son is very disobedient son. He don't care about his father. He don't respect his father. His father is walking and he's riding a donkey. So they go ahead and the father said, you see, look, people is still criticizing us. They will never be happy with you. They will be always criticize you. Don't worry about people. Just worry about Allah. Remember Allah all the time. So what is the option left now? They walk without donkey, problem. Father rides a donkey, problem. Son rides a donkey, is still the problem. People not happy, is still criticizing. What is the last option? Both of them will ride the donkey. No, there is one more option after this. So now the father and son riding the donkey, and they pass to the group of people. These father and son, the worst people in the world. They are the worst people. Imagine this pitiful kawawa donkey. They ride the two-person on donkey. Donkeys, they don't care about the donkey. They are overloading the donkey. Now father says, you see, look, we did everything, but people are still angry. They're not happy. So don't worry about people, worry about Allah. What is the last option? The father said, let's come with me, we carry the donkey. And let's see the people happy. So the father and son, they ride the donkey. It's just like a horse. It's smaller than horse. And they walk to the other group of people. And the group of people, crazy people. They're not riding the donkey. They carry the donkey. So what you can do, people will never be happy with you. So forget about the people. Think about Allah. Remember Allah. When you're doing something, you don't need to worry about people.
Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and comment.